I've washed these off in brake cleaner so they're absolutely bone dry, no oil at all left in them. I'm just going to roughen the surface up, but I did put a little pop mark on so I knew which side I was going to weld. I'll just plug the grinder in and it'll probably work a lot more efficiently. I'm going to put a little bit of preheat into this before I weld it. I'm actually not going to weld it, I'm going to build it up using silicone bronze. The idea is not to melt the base metal, just to get a nice fillet of silicone bronze on. I've been practicing on some plates, that's the sort of result I want to get. Just enough to take the chill off it, at least 100-200 degrees. That's them both built up with the silicone bronze. So to let them cool down naturally, I've had them covered up. I've decided to machine these on the milling machine. All I need to do is machine so it's nice and flat. Then I can take it out, measure it, and see exactly how much I've got to take off. The build-up needs to be just under 1 mil thick. I'm beginning to wish now that I'd actually taken some off the fork before I welded it, so I had more build-up. I could have left more build-up on, but I'm sure it's going to work out alright. Just jiggling the handles here to sort of look at that bastard thing. Couldn't understand how the table wouldn't move, it's hooked on there. Bloody thing, get back. Right, back to our work. The build-up along here is a lot neater because I changed the settings when I was welding it. There's just going to be a little bit at the end where there's 2 clampage that I can't get to. What a big box full of scraps of steel, like bits like that are all great for making packers for T-bolts. See how much build up I'm actually removing here. I'm beginning to wish I had taken some of the fork away, but right, that's it. That's better. There's no lift on that now. That's the one we did earlier, so that's just once these edges taken off, and that's removed all the play from in there. You can see the build up a little bit where the cast iron's alloyed with the bronze. Next time I do any more, I will take probably a good 2 mil off and then build up again. That one's the same. This is part of the same job. It's a part of the gear selector mechanism. I need to make a new pin. It's a better fit. That's a bit piss wobbly in there. A little bit of stainless steel bar there will certainly get one out of that. No problem at all. I'm just using stainless because I've got stainless, and I'm sure if the Victorians had stainless, they would use it as well. Very little to come off there. Nice when you put something in this 3-jaw chuck and it runs very accurately without having to piss about adjusting things. Certainly one of the better buys, I'd buy a decent chuck. That's a 4 mil cut and breaking the chips nicely. It's something hard to get stainless to do that. Cheap and cheery Banggood tooling. I'd like to ream that hole out round, but unfortunately I can't get the other parts. I'm going to have to make it a sort of a compromise fit, but it's certainly better than the one we had. Could have put a centre mark in it. It's always handy to have a centre mark in a pin or a shaft. You never know when you might want to have to put it in a lathe or a still warm, that. I think when it cools down it'll be a nice fit on there. Certainly within the realms of possibility now it's going to fit. Just going to break that edge there, and then when I part it off I can turn it around and break the top off. Just a little chamfer like that just makes the finish the job off nicely. It's cooled down now, so hopefully that's nice. No piss wobbly slack there. Part it off to length and then machine with that face, and then that should be the pin down on it. Got a hole to drill it now. Time for a new tip in that parting tool. That one's done a lot of work, but it's still doing the job for us. Just going to turn this tip round just so I can get a nice finish on the outside of this pin. Tip's still cutting, but it's lost its edge. But once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all the well wishes that are coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching.